ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು BCom ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ 80 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕುಮಾರ? ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕುಮಾರ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್. Second question, what were exams to the narrator? Exams were a burden and a source of fear to the narrator. Third question, where did Malik Shah purchase a plot of their own? The Malik Shah purchased a plot in a developing colony. Fourth question, for what was Mr. A 10 by 8 built? It was built as a small house or room for living. Fifth question, what was Mr. Barnaby? Mr. Barnaby was a landlord. Sixth one question, name the son of Ulysses. Answer, Telemachus. Seventh question, when do we need to forget the darshana of Guru? We need to forget it when blind belief controls reasoning. Eighth one question, what is the nickname of Aidakki Lakkamma? Lakkamma was called Aidakki. Ninth question, who sold the sweeper to the landlord? The broker sold the sweeper to the landlord. 10th question, who are logging to priest paid in the garment? Women garments workers or mothers. Let's see sections 2, 10 markers questions. First one question, what does the author try to convince the reader in the story Our Lady's Juggler? Explain. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವರ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಜಗ್ಲರ್ ಆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅವರ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಜಗ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್, ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ದ ಆಥರ್ ಟ್ರೈಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಡರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಎ ಪುವರ್ ಜಗ್ಲರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರಿ. Unlike other monks, he does not know how to read holy books, sing hymns, or perform religious duties. He feels sad because he cannot worship Mother Mary like to the others. However, he wants to express his devotion sincerely. One day he goes before the statue of Mother Mary and performs his juggling act with complete faith and dedication. He offers the only talent he possesses. Though others initially misunderstand him, they later realize that Mother Mary herself blesses the juggler because his devotion is genuine. The author emphasizes that every person can worship God in their own way. True faith comes from the heart and not from the external display. The story also teaches humility, innocence, and equality. Even a poor and uneducated man can reach God through the honest devotion. Thus, the author successfully convinces readers to the pure love and sincerity are greater than formula rituals. Our question. Second question, how did Kirti prove himself worthy match for the princess? Explain. So, ಇದು 10 marks questions ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕುಮಾರ proved himself worthy of the princess through him intelligence, bravery, wisdom and good character. The princess wanted to marry a man who was not only strong but also wise and responsible. Many princes came to win her hand, but they failed to satisfy the conditions and challenges set before them. Kirti Kumara remained calm and confident. He solved difficult problems using his intelligence rather than the pride or anger. His courage was shown when he faced dangerous situations without fear. He respected elders, behaved the polity, and showed the kindness towards the others. These qualities impressed the king and the princess. Kirti also demonstrated leadership and honesty. He never tried to cheat or use unfair means. Instead, he trusted his abilities and moral values. The princess realized that he would become a good husband and ruler. The story teaches that true worth lies in the character and wisdom rather than the physical strength or wealth. Kirti Kumara became an ideal example for a noble prince. Therefore, Kirti proved himself a worthy match for the princess by combining bravery, intelligence, humility, and virtuality. So, section 3, poetry question, 10 marks questions. How does the poem Garment Girl highlight the reality of women working to fulfill their domestic needs and supports. So, answer student. The poem Garment Girl presents the painful reality of women working in the garment factories to support their families. The poet highlights their struggles, sacrifice, and poor working conditions. Most garments workers are young women from the poor families. They work for long hours in factories under strict supervision. Even though they are tired and undeveloped, they continue working because their families depends on them financially. The poem also focuses on the emotional suffering of these women. Many mothers are unable to spend time with their children. Some women long to breastfeed their babies, but work pressure forces them to stay away. This creates emotional pain and helplessness. The poet citizens society and factory owns for the exploiting women laborers. Despite their land work, they receive little respect and low wages. Their dreams and happinesses are sacrificed for survival. At the same time, the poem shows the strength and determination of women. They continue working to provide food, education, and support to their families. The poem creates sympathy in the reader's mind and makes society aware of the hardships faced by working women. It is both emotional and socially meaningful. Thus, Garment Girl powerfully highlights the struggles, sacrifice, and realities of the women laborers. So, your fourth question ನೋಡೋಣ. Critically comment on the poem Chimney Sweeper. ಸೊ ಇದು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಬ್ಲೇಕ್ poem The Chimney Sweeper is a strong criticism of child labor and social injustice. The poem describes the miserable lives of poor children who were forced to clean chimneys during the Industrial Revolution. The speaker is a young child who was sold into chimney sweeping after his mother died. The child suffers from poverty, loneliness, and exploitation through the innocent language. Blake reveals the cruelty of society. The poem contains the dream of Tom Decree, where an angel frees the chimney sweepers from the black coffins. This symbolizes hope, freedom, and a better life after suffering. However, the reality remains painful because the children continue to work in dangerous conditions. Blake criticizes parents, the church, and society for ignoring the suffering of children, while adults pretend to be religious and moral. They allow innocent children to live in misery. The imagery of black suit, confetti, and cold weather creates sadness and sympathy. The poem combines innocence with social criticism, making it highly powerful. The poem remains relevant even today because child labor still exists in many parts of the world. Blake's message is called as humanity, justice, and compassion. Therefore, the Chimney Sweeper is an emotional and powerful poem against exploitation and social inequality. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 4 ನೋಡೋಣ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಈಚ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಹೌಸ್. Mr. Malika dreamed of building her own house. She carefully planned every detail and wanted a comfortable home for her family. Her interest reflected middle class aspirations and emotional attachment toward the owning a house. Second one, on examination. The lesson on examination describes the fear, tension, and pressure students face during the exams. The narrator considers exams stressful and mentally exhausting. The lesson criticizes the education system that values marks more than learning. Third one, Chimney Sweeper. The poem talks about poor child laborers forced to the clean chimneys. It highlights exploitation, poverty, and social injustice. William Blake uses emotional language to create sympathy for the children. Fourth one, concept of Kayaka by Lakkama and Maraya. Kayaka means dignity of labor. Lakkama and Maraya believed that honest work is equal to the worship. They taught people to respect labor and lead a simple, truthful life. Section 4, grammar part. 5 marks questions. Rakesh can play Kho. Make it active to passive voice. Let's see answer. Kho can be played by Rakesh. Kho ರಾಕೇಶ್ನಿಂದ ಆಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಶಿವಾಜಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಾಮೇಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ವಾಸ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಎ Rewrite the following as a directed. It is too early to calculate the profit. Remove 2. So answer ನೋಡೋಣ. It is so early that the profit cannot be calculated. Fourth one, unless you hurry, you will miss the train. Use if. If you do not hurry, you will miss the train. Fifth question, this story is a short that it can be read in an hour. Use enough. So answer, this story is short enough to be read the an hour. Fifth one, B, frame questions so as to get underlined words as answers. First one question, he studied Sanskriti in Varanasi. So where did he study Sanskriti? Salt is used to make food tasty. Why is salt used? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇತ್ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 1984. ವೆನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್? ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮಂಗಮ್ಮ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮಂಗಮ್ಮ? ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿ, ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನೈತಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ದಾಗ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? Second question, Bhima is very honest, efficient and hard working. Bhima is a very honest, efficient and hard working. Oh, I have looked all over the house. Wow, I have looked all over the house. Fourth one question, I believe you are right. I believe, comma, you are right, dot. Fifth one question, are the keys in your bag? Are the keys in your bag? Question. Section 6 for 5 markers. First question, what is presentations? Discuss its types. A presentation is a method of communicating ideas, information or opinions before an audience in a clear and organized way. Presentation ಏನೈತಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಐತಿ, ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಐತಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸೆಟ್ದಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮಂಗ್ ಲಿಸನರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಕೇಳುವರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Presentations help a speaker explain a topic effectively with confidence. They may include speech, charts, slides, pictures and demonstration. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಅದು ಏನದ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. Second one is the persuasive presentation. It aims to convince the audience to accept an idea or take action. Advertisements and motivational speeches are examples for here. Third one, demonstrative presentation. This presentation shows how something is done step by step. It often includes practical demonstration. Fourth one, inspirational presentation. It motivates and encourages people, leaders and motivational speakers use this type of. Fifth one, business presentation. Used in offices and companies for report, project discussion and sales meetings. A successful presentation requires paper preparation, confidence, eye contact, clear voice and body language. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಉಂಟಾಗಬೇಕು, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಇಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ನಾನ್ ವರ್ಬಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್, ಗೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್. Eye contact creates connection and trust with listeners. A smiling face makes a presentation friendly and positive. Proper gestures help in explain ideas clearly. Standing straight shows confidence and professionalism. Hand movements can emphasize important point and make speaking interesting. Body language also reflects the speaker's emotion and attitudes. Nervous actions like shaking hands, looking down, or avoiding eye contact create a poor impression. A confident posture and positive expressions improve communication of ideas and understand. Body language supports verbal communication and makes the presentations more powerful. Therefore, body language is essential for successful presentation because it improves clarity, confidence, audience engagement. So, third question is to explain Dr. Tejaswini Manogna views on global healthcare. Dr. Tejaswini Manogna emphasizes the importance of global healthcare for the welfare or humanity. According to her, health is not only an individual issue but also a global responsibility. She believes that every person deserves proper medical care regardless of the nationality, caste, religion, or economic status. Global cooperation is necessary to fight diseases, pandemics, and health crises. Dr. Tejaswini highlights the importance of healthy lifestyle, nutrition, cleanliness, and mental well being. She encourages people to spread awareness about health and hygiene. She also points out the role of technology and medical science in improving healthcare system worldwide. Governments and organizations should work together to provide affordable healthcare facilities. Her views promote humanity, equality, and social responsibility. She inspires youth to participate in the social service and healthcare awareness programs. Thus, her ideas on global healthcare focus on creating a healthier and more compassionate world. Fourth question, comment on diversity is the new nationality by Raghu Raman. Raghu Raman's statement diversity is a new nationality highlights the importance of unity among people with different backgrounds, cultures, languages, and religions. According to him, modern society is becoming more diverse due to the globalization, education, and migration. Diversity should not divide people, instead, it should strengthen society. He believes that accepting diversity promotes peace, creativity, innovation, and mutual respect. People from the different communities can work together for national progress. Raghuram also stresses the need to remove discrimination and narrow minded thinking. True nationalism lies in respecting every individual equally. Educational institutions and workplaces should be encourage influence and equal opportunities. Diversity helps people learn from the one another and develop broader perspective. The essay teaches Lawrence unity and social harmony. It reminds us to strength come from the togetherness in the diversity. Therefore, diversity is a new nationality in a powerful message promoting unity in a multicultural society. Let's see fifth question. Write a note on Mr. Vasudeva Misra's transforming communities through social entrepreneurship. Mr. Vasudeva Misra explains how social entrepreneurship can bring positive changes in society. Social entrepreneurship means using business ideas to solve social problems and improve people's lives. According to him, entrepreneurs should not work only for profit but also for social welfare. Social entrepreneurs create employment, support poor communities, and improve education and healthcare. He believes that innovation ideas, import, innovation ideas and leadership can transform villages and underdeveloped areas. By empowering people with skills and opportunities, communities become self-dependent. Mr. Misra emphasizes youth participation in social services and entrepreneurship. Young people can use technology, education, and creativity to solve social issues. He also highlights the importance of teamwork, compassion, and responsibility towards society. Social entrepreneurship creates sustainable development and reduces poverty. His message inspires individuals to contribute to society while achieving economic growth, thus transforming community through the social entrepreneurship encourages people to use business and innovation for social change and community development. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೇನೈತಿ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೈತಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇವೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವೇನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಐತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಐತಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತೇನೈತಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.